Hi, I'm Kelly and this is my cat video for Bio 220. This is the thoracic cavity and this is the abdominopelvic cavity, and it's separated by the diaphragm, which is right here. First, we're going to start with the structures of the respiratory system. These are the lobes of the lungs. You have anterior lobes, the middle lobes, and the posterior lobes. And then you have the mediastinal lobe. This is the larynx, the epiglottis, and the trachea with the C-shaped cartilage rings. And then you have the trachealis muscle back here. And then the esophagus. And here's the esophagus. This is the greater omentum, which covers the intestines. Over here you have the liver, and these are the lobes of it. And then you have the spleen, the pancreas, and the gallbladder. Now we will look at the heart. Around the heart is the pericardium. Then you have the apex, the right auricle, the left auricle, the interventricular septum, which separates the left ventricle from the right ventricle. Now we will look at the digestive system. Here's where the esophagus comes into the cardia of the stomach. The fundus of the stomach is above the cardia. This is the body of the stomach. And this is the pylorus of the stomach. Lastly is the pyloric sphincter. Starting with the small intestine, you have the duodenum, which leads into the jejunum, which is all of this. And in the jejunum, you have the mesentery, which is this web-like. From the jejunum, you go to the ileum, which is this right here. And then you have the ileocecal valve, and that's where you begin the large intestine. For the large intestine, here's the cecum, going to the ascending colon, the transverse colon, and then the descending colon. Now we will look at the urinary system. Here you have the right kidney, the left kidney, and if you open it, the outer lighter part is the cortex, and the inner darker part is the medulla. And then you have the renal pelvis, the ureter, and then the urinary bladder.